Why are your family and friends not supporting your business in any way or form, not even referrals? This is a topic that I hear most of new entrepreneurs talk about all the time. And sometimes it's sad to hear because they really thought they have this huge community, they thought they would support them, and unfortunately it doesn't. Your friends probably don't even buy from you or your services. And I thought the same in the beginning, but after analyzing, understanding more how social media works, I actually found the answer why they don't do that. And if I'm wrong, comment below. First of all, most of us, we don't want to mix our relationship, our friendship with business. And they're afraid that if they hire you or they buy your products, if something goes wrong, they don't like the service, you might end up breaking that relationship and maybe not speak to that person ever again. So they make sure they keep that separated, and that's why they're not buying from you. The second thing, which is actually very, very important for you to know, is that you assume that just because your friends and family follow you or are friends with you on Facebook, they actually see your posts, they actually see what you're doing, what you sell, and what you offer. But actually, that's so not true. Most of the time, they don't even see your posts because if they're not interested on, let's say, social media marketing, they don't have a business, Facebook is not going to show that to them. Instagram is not going to show that to them. And so many other platforms, that's not how the algorithm works. So they're not supporting you not because they hate you, it's because they don't see your posts in the first place. Are your family and friends supporting you or buying from you? Comment below what you think about this theory.